Hi friends, in this video, we're going to talk about the complete syllabus for first year, first semester, botany. Whether you're just starting your BSc journey or planning ahead, this video will give you a clear roadmap of what to expect in your first semester. So grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Botany first semester syllabus, complete unit-wise explanation. Let's begin with Unit 1, which is divided into two parts, Part A and Part B. Unit 1 has two parts, Part A and Part B. Unit 1, Part A, Ancient, Vedic and Modern Botany. In Part A, you'll learn how botany has evolved over time. We'll explore how plants were studied during the ancient period, what changed during the Vedic times, and how it all transformed into what we now call modern botany. It's like a journey through time, understanding how people studied plants without microscopes or labs. Unit 1, Part B, Microbial Techniques and Instrumentation. In Part B, we go technical. Here you'll be introduced to basic lab techniques used to handle microorganisms and also get familiar with the different types of scientific instruments used in botany and microbiology labs. This part is very important for your practical exams. Unit 2, the Microbial World. Moving on to Unit 2, we dive into the microbial world. You'll learn about bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and how they affect plants, humans, and the environment. This is one of the most exciting units, because you get to study the smallest forms of life that have the biggest impact. Unit 3, Phycology, study of algae. Next up is Unit 3, where we talk about phycology, which is the study of algae. From microscopic green algae in ponds to large seaweeds in oceans, you'll learn how these simple organisms play a major role in aquatic ecosystems and even in oxygen production. Unit 4, Mycology, study of fungi. Unit 4 is all about mycology, the study of fungi. You'll study molds, yeasts, and mushrooms, not just how they grow, but also how they affect plants, food, and even medicine. Unit 5, Mushroom Cultivation, Lichenology and Mycorrhiza. In Unit 5, we take it a step further. First, you'll learn how mushrooms are cultivated and their economic importance. Then comes Lichenology, the study of lichens, which are unique organisms formed by algae and fungi living together. And finally, Mycorrhiza, a special relationship between fungi and plant roots that helps plants absorb nutrients from the soil. Unit 6, Plant Pathology. Unit 6 introduces you to plant pathology. You'll study plant diseases, how they spread, and what kind of symptoms they show. This unit is really useful if you want to go into agriculture or research. Unit 7, Disease and Control. Now that we know about plant diseases, in Unit 7, we focus on how to control or prevent them. This includes natural, chemical, and modern biotechnological methods used to protect crops. Unit 8, Applied Microbiology. And finally, in Unit 8, we talk about applied microbiology. This means understanding how microbes are used in real life, like making medicines, bread, curd, and even cleaning oil spills. This is where science meets industry.